In this video, we will explore the 16 technologies that are transforming the construction industry. Zellige tiles, originating in Morocco since the 10th century, continue to captivate with their intricate designs. While they are once expensive and handmade, modern manufacturing techniques have made them more affordable. Moroccan workshops still employ traditional techniques, ensuring the authenticity and cultural significance of these beautiful tiles. Tapitate, a local material rich in calcium carbonate, can now be 3D printed. This innovative technology offers a faster and more versatile alternative to traditional construction methods. With its unique ability to be squeezed out layer by layer like toothpaste, tapitate-based blocks eliminate the need for formwork and allow for endless design possibilities. Screeding concrete has been made simpler with rebar technology. By using a rebar as an axis, clean and accurate screeding can be achieved, even by inexperienced workers. This technology offers a flatter surface and higher final quality compared to traditional vibratory screeds. With both battery and fuel-powered versions available, the rebar screeding system caters to various construction needs. Precast concrete sections have revolutionized the construction of water and sewer pipes, storm drains, and various other structures. These sections are reliable and offer protection in different sizes and configurations. With their versatility, they find application in bridges, pedestrian tunnels, warehouses, and shelters. Many shopping malls and office buildings lack visually appealing exteriors. Thin clay tile modules provide a solution by making facades more interesting and attractive. These tiles resemble real bricks and are held in place with stainless steel clips. With multiple design options and easy installation, they offer an affordable and durable alternative. New generation roof windows combine excellent lighting with top-notch waterproofing. These windows come with 2 installation options and can be installed on various roofing materials. With minimal maintenance requirements, these windows enhance heat retention and do not interfere with rainwater drainage, ensuring a comfortable and energy-efficient environment. Under-deck spaces often require quick and easy access. The solar switch lock provides an elegant and effortless solution. It consists of plastic triangles mounted on screws, allowing for easy shifting with tools like a putty knife. This cost-effective solution ensures secure access while maintaining the aesthetics of wooden decks. To prevent leaks at joints where bolts are installed, innovative membrane technology has been introduced. These membranes are suitable for both future construction projects and repair work. Made from ethylene propylene rubber, they adapt to the shape of the bolt, are resistant to UV rays and frost, and provide reliable waterproofing. Roofs are being reimagined for sustainability and aesthetics. Green roofs with vegetation helps reduce strain on drains and storm systems, while providing cleaner air and energy savings. Blue roofs, designed to slow down rainwater runoff, offer options for orchards, gardens, and recreational areas, contributing to a greener urban landscape. Ephesus Stopper Kit is a practical solution for waterproofing roofs and facades, particularly on metal or soft membrane roofs. This kit simplifies the waterproofing process with its 3 components: a flexible skirting board with fastening and 2 sealants. With no prior preparation required, the system can be easily shaped by hand to fit any desired geometry. It offers excellent performance in confined spaces and withstands extreme temperatures, making it a versatile choice for various construction projects. When heavier lifting is required during construction work, a hybrid ladder and hoist comes to the rescue. Available in different models with varying capacities, these systems can be powered by electric motors or gasoline engines. They provide efficient lifting capabilities for sections of different lengths and can be easily transported. These versatile systems are invaluable for projects that involve lifting solar panels, plywood, and other heavy materials. Sustainability takes center stage with the use of recycled polypropylene formwork. This adjustable formwork system allows for easy customization according to project requirements. From small-scale private residences to large-scale construction projects, this formwork simplifies the construction process while reducing waste. It has been successfully used in various applications, including the construction of a 25,000 square meter campus, where it significantly reduced construction time. The advent of automated bricklaying robots has revolutionized the construction industry. These robots streamline the bricklaying process, ensuring precision and efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, they can lay bricks at a much faster rate than human workers while maintaining accuracy. These robots are transforming the way buildings are constructed, optimizing productivity and reducing labor costs. Robotic arm excavators offer increased precision and versatility in digging and trenching operations. With advanced robotic technology, these machines can perform intricate digging tasks with minimal manual intervention. They are equipped with sensors and intelligent control systems that allow for more accurate excavation, leading to improved safety and productivity on construction sites. Augmented reality, or AR, has found its way into the construction industry, enabling builders and architects to visualize designs in real time. AR technology allows for the overlay of digital models onto physical spaces, giving stakeholders a clear understanding of the final product. This immersive technology enhances communication, reduces errors, and helps identify potential design flaws before construction begins. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, has become a crucial tool for streamlining construction processes. BIM enables the creation and management of digital representations of buildings, facilitating collaboration among architects, engineers, and contractors. This technology helps optimize project coordination, minimize clashes, and improve overall efficiency. BIM ensures that construction projects are executed with precision, reducing costs and time delays. These 16 construction technologies represent the relentless pursuit of innovation and sustainability within the industry. From traditional handmade tiles to cutting-edge robotic systems, each advancement brings new possibilities to builders, developers, and architects. By embracing these technologies, the construction sector can enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and create more sustainable and functional structures. As we move forward, the continuous integration of technology will undoubtedly shape the future of construction, paving the way for smarter, greener, and more efficient buildings. We hope you found these advancements in construction inspiring and informative. From modular septic tanks to recycled polypropylene formwork, these technologies are transforming the way we build. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future updates. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible innovations in the world of construction.